Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. I will say that a little bit of a tricky chart from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, and for example, and you wanted to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the bigger picture point of view, sure, the price is pulled back from its highs, but from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, just higher bases over extended periods of time, and that's also going to be the viewpoint that I look at things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into all this. And I'm not saying that the price is going to head down here at all, but just for explanation's sake about how bullish this chart truly still is. But let's just say that the price actually comes down here to 22 cents, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture, but from a big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows there. You'd have a low there. You'd have lows even down there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very, very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there as that 22 cent mark. Again, I'm well aware if you're a day trader and you bought right there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day. Looking at multiple days, as we're looking at here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build that higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.